Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros, and today's a fun video because we are doing our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. I can't even believe how quick we got to 50,000 subscribers. It is all because of you folks watching at home. Thank you so very much. I am over the moon about how happy I am with where this channel is going. I am incredibly appreciative to everyone out there. I just don't have any words for it. But thank you. We're halfway to our goal of 100,000 subscribers, so keep subscribing and sending people my videos to help them out and stuff. Now, what we're giving away today is this. It is a scanner that does ABS and airbag codes. So this is a pretty nice high-end scanner by Topdon. Now, what you have to do for this contest is really simple. Be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and like the Topdon social media things I'll put down below in the description. And that's it. You don't need to sign up in anywhere. You don't need to do anything else besides that, and you're good. This contest is open internationally, so if you're outside of the US, go ahead and enter. As long as you have an address I can put on a package and it will get to you, go ahead and enter. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please keep subscribed and send it to your friends and get more subscribers, because the more subscribers I get, the more I'm going to give away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.